Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hello friends and welcome to another video of Technical Chaharji. In this video I'm going to talk about the unboxing of Poco F1. Yes, after quite a long wait I've gotten the Poco F1 phone and right now I'm going to do the unboxing of this phone. So I'm your friend Manish and watching Technical Chaharji, so let's get started with the video. So this is the box of the Poco F1 by Xiaomi, and on the side it's written that Poco F1 is written, and on the back side we can see the specification of the box, and on the back side we can clearly see the Snapdragon 845 processor, the same processor which is available in the OnePlus and the Asus Zenfone 5Z. And we can see the other variations of it. It's saying that it has a liquid cooling specification, plus the camera on the front is of 20 megapixel, plus the rear camera is of 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel, and the battery is of 4000 mAh. And there's the other specification of the box which is of the phone. Is saying that it's supposed to dual 4G voltage, and you can see the screen is of 19:9 ratio, plus there's a notch in above the box, plus this is a hybrid slot available over here, not a proper dual G 4G slot. Plus, because this is a Snapdragon 845 and it's written that it's supposed the octa-core processor of 10 nano, and it's a better processor. So this is the graphite black in my hand. It is of 6GB RAM and 64GB internal storage, and it's written in the box is made in India. So let's see the specification of this box. So these are the specification of this box. As I've already taken out some specification, this is the normal usual manual inside the box, and plus this is all the normal Type-C cable inside this box. This is a good thing that Xiaomi is providing a normal Type-C charging point as well, all with the specification of this flagship processor. So this is the charger. So this is a fast charger which you are receiving right now, and this is the fast one which says the 5 volt and 3 ampere. So this is a good, again I think, to charge the 4000 mAh battery which is a Xiaomi is providing. A normal soft TPU cover, as you can see, is provided in this box. So let's boot up this device, and till then let me show you some of the specification. So this is the back of the phone, and on the back you can see the 12 megapixel plus the 5 megapixel shooter, and beneath it you can see a LED flash, and beneath it you can see a fingerprint sensor, and plus the Poco branding over behind the phone, as you can see. So this is the some of the graphite black in the phone, and on the side we have a volume rocker button and a power on and off button over here. On the top we can see a 3.55mm jack, plus a slot for the mic which you can record your voices, and on the bottom we can see the two grills for the speaker and one point for the your Type-C charging point. So this is the hybrid SIM throw, which is a dual SIM phone. So it is a dual slot, so you can either support a memory card plus a SIM, or both the same in this slot. So I've already booted up the phone and set it up a little bit. So this is the phone. So you can see the display. So it is a full 6 inches of display. A notch is on top of it, and you can see the LED flash is also there, LED notification is also there, plus a front camera of 20 megapixel is also there. So this is all about the phone's front, and let us go to the settings and let me show you that what all others you can see. So if you go into about phone, we can see that the device name is of Poco F1 is written, octa-core processor is written, and 6GB RAM and 64GB of 4GB internal storage is available, and out of GIF available 47GB around approximately storage is available, and design is okay, not as premium as if you look for the OnePlus 6 or the OnePlus 6T which is coming right now new. So let us take about the test the rear camera, and if you click out the rear camera, let me just point out a bit and let me click it. So as you click on it, if you zoom it also, the details is very much clear. So in the 21,000 phone range of the Xiaomi, the camera is very good, and the camera is of a measure looking very good. Even of the pics, if later in the video I'm going to do the camera review of this phone, which you can see the video in the coming days, and you can able to see that how the back camera and the front camera performing in that video. So the Xiaomi has launched a very good phone, Poco F1, and other variants of this phone are readily available now in the open sale right now. This price range phones 21,000, 6GB and 64GB is still available on a sale right now, and in the later of the days we can able to see that the phone will be available in the sale right now. And let us test out our fingerprint sensor, and let me go to settings, and on the settings let me go to lock screen and add fingerprints, and let me go to fingerprint. It's just detecting my fingerprint, and it's a kind of a quite fast at representing my fingers and detecting my fingers, and it's a quite a fast. So let's test how the fingerprint sensor is working on. Oh look, just a press of the button and the fingerprint sensor is working very fine, and it's just opening up my phone, which is very fast. Again, a very good phone. So this is the fingerprint sensor which is available right now in the market and in the coming phones. That is almost up reacting at the phone very quickly. So that is a very quick response from the phone, and a quite feature of this phone. And even if I talk about the face unlock, so I've detected my face unlock, and let's see that how is the face unlock work. So as I open it, oh wow, so the face unlock is also performing very well. As soon as I look up the phone, the face unlock is working very fine. So it's the same feature which is available in the OnePlus, and this is the kind of a good. So that's all from my video right now. If you like this video, please share it with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.